Very good, I guess. I don't know. You think about it. But you've got two options, obviously.
So I sent a letter to Rodrigo, let him know I switched to rubber pants, and just see how things are going. We're lucky we got out of there.
It's better. It's better living on the lam. We have each other.
Yeah.
That's all we need.
Right. That and you like money.
Toilet paper. Oh yeah, that too. Want to sit with me?
I don't know, does it cost anything?
It doesn't cost anything. I just was, maybe you'd be uncomfortable in your rubber pants. No judgment. They look good on you.
No one can tell if they're rubber, okay? I'm sopping wet.
Except that whatever I say bounces off of you. And I'm blue, you're rubber. Except it's real this time.
Do you really want that? Do you really want stuff that falls off of me to stick to you?
No, Carl. The only thing I want to stick to me from you is your friendship. Truly. I want it to stick to me like the fibers of Velcro. I want it to get into my fibers and hold on really, really tight. I want it to make a sound when we part.
Rubber pants will definitely help with that.
A little bit springy when we're together, it's not quite like, it's not like this, it's like this.
It's like hope, right? Hope that, oh yeah, they're not really stuck together, but they are, right? Like we can do our own things as long as we come back together and can't be pulled apart for a short amount of time.
Exactly. So I guess what I'm saying is, instead of being rubber and glue, I'd like to be,
Glue and wood?
Carl, I want to be Velcro. And I want you to be the pointy part and me to be the soft part. Do you understand what I'm saying, Carl? I don't think I can say it not in a metaphor.
Maybe if we tried to work on a different metaphor.
Well, Carl, it's the perfect metaphor for me. I can't change it for you. I can't change who I am for you. I'm the soft Velcro.
Sometimes Velcro is sticky on the other side.
That's not the kind of Velcro I want to be. I can't be that Velcro. I'm only one side of the Velcro.
Okay.
You have to meet me halfway. You have to meet me, Carl, halfway. I wanted to make that sound when we part.
Okay, but if I'm the sharp and pointy side, when we cuddle, won't it kind of smart?
I think I'd like that, Carl, and it was you. I'd like it if we like that. We go around and then we make the sound. We make the sound.
I feel so close to you, I'm seeing in your face. I do not think this idea is very sane.
I think I'm happy that you think it isn't lame. Or is that what you meant?
It's close enough.
I wasn't paying attention. I got excited because I'm close to you. Here we go.
Now we stick like glue. I did. And you. We're Velcro, we are too. It's me and you. We cannot be undone. No. But undo doesn't sound as good. You want me because I didn't stick to it, not because I rhyme.
It's a bonus, I'll say. It's a bonus.
It's a bonus if we both can play.